Rolls-Royce has signed a contract with Bharat Forge for the local production and supply of fan blades for the Pearl series turbofan engines. The DRDO will unveil the wheeled and tracked versions of the advanced armoured platform early next month, which is the indigenous foundation for India's FICV Future Infantry Combat Vehicle. Maharashtra-based Sunita Tools will invest 126 crore rupees to triple its production capacity from 1.1 lakh artillery shells to 3.6 lakh shells. Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated Bharat Electronics Limited's new advanced night vision products factory in Andhra Pradesh, built at a cost of 362 crore rupees. BonV Aero has successfully conducted India's first 60 km beyond visual line of sight mission, flying for 75 minutes with a 20 kg payload that marks a major milestone in long-range heavy-lift UAV logistics. The Indian Army has inaugurated a new generation vehicle logistics hub in Leh for faster repairs and spares management that will enhance high-altitude operational readiness. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh led consultative committee for the Ministry of Defence reviewed advanced systems like the ARDE ATAGS gun and Zorawa light tank. India is exploring underground hardened missile silos on remote islands to enhance the survivability of its ballistic missile defence network, creating a redundant second line of defence to remain operational even if mainland BMD sites are hit in a first strike. Russian Ambassador Denis Alipov has said that Moscow has offered to support the AMCA program through the licensed local production and technology transfer of the Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet. Under the proposal, the Su-57 could be co-produced in India with partners like Tata Advanced Systems, Hindustan Aeronautics and Larsen & Toubro, transferring key technologies in stealth coatings, supercruise engines, and integrated avionics, directly aiding the AMCA development. In a major development, the DRDO's hypersonic long-range anti-ship missile has entered full-scale serial production. With a range of over 1,500 kilometers, a speed of Mach 10, and the ability to carry conventional or nuclear warheads, the long-range anti-ship missile will significantly boost maritime deterrence against Chinese carrier groups and Pakistani naval assets. Future land attack variants of the missile are expected to integrate with the proposed integrated rocket force. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the third production line of the Tejas MK1A and the second production line of the HTT-40 basic trainer aircraft at HAL's Nashik complex. He also witnessed the first flight of the first Tejas MK1A fighter jet produced at Hindustan Aeronautics Nashik complex. The third production line has resulted in creation of approximately 1,000 jobs and development of more than 40 Indian industry partners. By the next 2 years, the company plans to expand capacity in Nashik production line to 10 Tejas MK1A aircraft per year. Once all three assembly lines are fully synchronized and engine supplies from General Electric stabilizes, HAL will achieve a total production capacity of 24 Tejas MK1A aircraft per year by December 2026. The AMCA stealth fighter jet is set to feature a revolutionary green stealth coating by DRDO, marking the first time an Indian-made jet will use a formulation entirely free of harmful chemicals. The new stealth coating eliminates volatile organic compounds and heavy metals commonly found in traditional radar-absorbent paints, which pose health risks to workers and create environmental hazards during production and disposal. Today's top 3 comments.